Attention, automation testers or test engineers. There is a new AI agent is there to act on your domain. It's called Tester Edge. The Edge company, who is the creator of Runner Edge, the AI automation agent, is also created a specific domain agent for automation testing in the web apps. In future, maybe for iOS and mobile apps, they will going to come. Okay, I'm going to show you the demo of that agent today. We cannot try the real agent, we cannot try it out because it's in the private beta, but we can see the recorded demos today and it is very powerful, trust me. So let's go to the demo. The first demo is that it is going to test the Airbnb application for the image validation, and let's run this demo. So as you can see on the left hand side is the different test cases and test actions, and on the right hand side you can see the outcome of that. Okay, so it's open up the Airbnb app, it's searching for a place and the date is given, and now the destination is given. It's selecting France, the results are loaded, it's selecting the images and the image is clicked. Yeah, so let me scroll down to the bottom of this test action. So it's clicked on the different image and finally its image of the orange bed is clicked. Okay, so from the different types of images it's able to identify what type of image it is. So it's using in the background a special mixer of models, but also the powerful language model called vision language model or VLM. I have created a very interesting video about vision language model. This is one of the use cases of vision language model. I created a video on virtual try on, which can be used in the online marketplaces for fabrics and other dress materials, but this is for a different use cases that TestEdge is using. Now let's see another use cases of TestEdge. So let's say we don't know what test cases to write. In that scenario, we can ask the TestEdge agent to generate the test cases for us. We just need to give the URL of the website we want to try it out. So let's say here we need to give nike.com and then we click on the scan button, and then the agent will navigate to the web page and find different test outcomes or test features, mobile spinners, login, checkout process, like that, and then it will use those test features and navigate to the site and it will create different steps and actions. Okay, and then it will execute those steps and action after identifying this, like we see in the earlier demo, and we can run different test cases. Okay, now it will go to the Nike website and it will run these test cases. On the right hand side you can see the live test case execution, left hand side you will see which action is taken from the test cases, and finally we'll get a report of each test cases. Okay, so if an automation engineer is doing this using sophisticated tools like automation testing tools like Cypress, or the what is I just forgot the name, but Cypress is one of the JavaScript testing framework used to that. It will take at least few days and weeks to create these sophisticated test cases, but now an AI agent like TestEdge can do this, the initial draft of this thing, like in minutes. Okay, and what is the input you given? Either you can give a detailed prompt or you just need to give the website address. Okay, so that means the entrepreneur, the owner of this brands can do this test automation. Okay, there is no need for an automation engineer for doing the initial draft of these test cases. It is needed for more sophisticated test case generation. These automation engineers are needed. So the question is then what the agents or what these automation engineers or the real test engineers will do in the future when such kind of agencies come. That will be my next video. So stay tuned for that video.